potatoes football. Today we're making semolina toast. In this bowl there's semolina and yogurt, and we have vegetables here, and this is carrot, yellow pepper, red pepper, coriander and onion, and we're going to add all this into the semolina and yogurt thing, and I just made it, and it's white, all white, and if we add these it will look colourful. Then we're going to put the mixture on the bread to make semolina.
Semolina toast.
Semolina toast. Now that my mum put all the vegetables in there, I'm going to mix the semolina and yogurt with the vegetables. Then I'm going to add it on the bread and spread it all over the bread.
Yeah, okay.
So let's get started mixing. So there's tons of vegetables. So my mum mixed it for me because it was too hard. We got salt and pepper. If you like spicy, add chili, but if you don't like spicy, put pepper in. Just a tiny drop of it. So I got pepper and salt, and I'm going to put it in here. So let's start. So first I'm going to add the salt in here. Then I'm going to add a little pinch of pepper in it. So now I'm going to mix all the salt and pepper into the mix. We're going to put the toast on this pan and wait for one of this backside. You can put it either this way or this way, and when it gets roasted on one of the sides, then we're going to put this mixture on top of the front. So let's put the bread on here. Then we're going to flip it over on one side. Now the bread has heated up a little bit and it's got warm. I'm going to flip it over with this red spatula. So I'm going to just put the bread on top of this. Then, oops, almost done it. I'm going to put it in the middle. There's a little squirrel in the middle because I used it for a pancake last time. And I'm going to just do this. Now we're going to put the mixture on the bread that I used the spatula and just flipped it over. Let's put it on the bread. Are we going to make another one? Now that I just my mom spreaded this, we're going to let it roast. Let's put this lid on. And let's wait for it to cook for 5 or few minutes. Okay, so my mom is going to flip it over. So look, it's all dry, so we're going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3, flip. On one side is nicely toasted. Now we're going to put the secret ingredient. But I don't know what it is. So let's put the secret ingredient. And that's my favorite, so we don't know. So we need to see what it is. So it should be a secret. So it's nearly drying on the back of it. The spread we put it on is nearly drying because we didn't flip it over. It will not dry. So we flipped it over, now it's drying. It's turning cheesy and it's all good. So you can see that it's nicely cooked. Now our special ingredients are cheese and ketchup. So We're going to put the cheese on top of the thing. We need to make it proper. There we go. You see how it's cooking? So, this smells so yummy and it looks so yummy. And you could use any sauce you like, and you could use ketchup, hot sauce, egg sauce, and garlic sauce. Any sauce like that. And if you like this recipe, like, share, subscribe, and make it at your home. If you know this recipe, make it at home. So like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Bye, guys.